Hello friends, in today's tutorial I'll show you how I can find or discover organic link gaining assets using Google Search Console. In one of my previous tutorial I already shown how I can extract untapped keywords using custom regex, but today I will use Google Sheet and one of its extension. So go to extension and then click get add-ons and then search for connector for hrefs with Google Search Console, and we need to install it. Install, continue. Give it a permission for Gmail, so allow, and then we are almost done. And now go to extension and then we find a new options which is connector for Ahref with Google Search Console. Click on launch sidebar. So we can connect SEMrush and Ahrefs as well, but for this we need an API for SEMrush or Ahrefs, but today I only show Google Search Console. So you can give it a name, and I already connected my corresponding Gmail where my site are located, I mean Google Search Console email, and then now we have to select a site. Okay, so this is our site, and then now I need to choose the days range. So I choose last 30 days, and you can I keep it default for web because my site is a blog site, so you can also choose other options like news, image, video, and data state, which is final data only, and then fields, which is very important fields where we need to choose the metrics and dimensions. So I choose query, position, page, impression, and clicks. You can choose others as well like country, CTR. So and then click apply, and I skip these filters options for now, but I will show in a few minutes. So next, click on the next, and then in here you can choose a new sheet, but it's a blank sheet, so I just keep it currently selected cell. That means data pool on in this cell A1. So and then click on insert, and then it start working. So it can take some time to fully pull the data from Google Search Console to Google Sheet, so we have to keep patience. Well, so data are added to the Google Sheet. So this is the query followed by position, page, impression, and clicks. So I remove these row, so delete the row, and I expand the page row for clear view the URL, and then I also expand the query column, and now we get the data. So but we need to sort the page column to more organized way. So I click on this arrow and then sort by A to Z, Now it's now we are getting more clear view. Suppose for this particular URL, I mean home page, these query are ranked. So I just add one row. So add an, so that means for this particular, I mean home page, these are the ranks. And look at the this query, Bizla food calculator. So this query ranked for 59 position. This is the position column, and it's ranked for my home page. Go to the site, and you can see there is nothing talk about this calculator or food about this. I just show my latest blog post in the home page, but Google wants me to create a tool about this topic. That's why I said it's a gold mine. So I just select it, and now you can like this is the same URL. Just insert a blank. So now you can see this is the same URL, and for this URL these query are ranked. So you can check one by one, and then if you find any topic that required a new article, you can create a new article, or you can also optimize your existing article if it needs. So that's the one method I showed you, and then I'll back in this track in few minutes, but let's try different thing. Like usually it's hard for us to find a blog topic. uh, it can be informative blog topic or commercial blog topic, but this is not an actual blog type of topic. So that how we find this type of topic. So click on extension and then go to this launch again, and I need to connect my site and create a new report, and click on Google Search Console, and I need to connect my site again. Okay, so I select my site, and now I choose last 90 days, and then rest of is default, and for field I query position, page, impression, and clicks apply. Now we use filters options, so we can filter based on query. Like query, I select query and then click content, and in this field I chose why. I mean I only extract this type of query that contains why terms. So you can use same thing, like usually what we use: how, why, what, can, is, do, does, this type of query for informative article. You can also use based or review type word. So I hope you got the point. So I use why. You can use anything, whatever. I mean for commercial content, you can use based, review, top, uh, based on your site structure or article structure. So and then click on next, and now I choose new sheet because my existing sheets have some data. So click on new, and now I have to keep patience to. So we got the data, so let's check, and then I remove the row again, and for so I expand the C column, and then now I sort by A to Z, and now let me check it. Now I only got this term that's contain why. So let me check how I can find. Let me check this URL. Uh, look at this URL. This is the same URL. So, and then for this particular article, Google ranked why did my cat's tail fall off 89 number positions. But my article about rabbits, so I already find and randomly choose and find an keyword that required a new article, so I can fill it. So you can check your rest of the article by you can sort it or filter it. You can use various ways, so then you can group them and write new article if your sites required. So that's the method. I hope it helpful to you. So now let's back to the show you the how I can create a tool about this topic. Think about what usually visitor come in our site, and especially when they read any article, they take the informations and go back, and they didn't come normally didn't come in this page because they took the informations. But uh, user come and repeated when we create an asset and then share the assets, because this is an asset type of query. So that's why I called it a link gaining asset. So we can we can create a tool using ChatGPT. Like this is the command I recently did, and this is the output. Let me check it. So we can create a tool using this plugin WP Coder by WOW company. So you can use this code, and from here you can find this is the, and then click on WP Coder and click on add new, and give it a name. So I keep it Bisla food calculator, and I copy the HTML file and then paste it here. Sorry, it's for HTML code, and then copy CSS, then paste it to CSS code, and then finally for JavaScript, I copy and paste it to JS code and save changes. Click on save changes. So I got a short code. I copy the short code and then create a new pages, and paste the short code, and my tool name is Bizlab food calculator. I copy this one and paste it on the title and save draft and view the preview. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so it's already I got it, but the problem is its CSS is not good. So I just keep it in random value and then calculate. I already got I already created a simple food calculator. So I asked ChatGPT, but this is not enough. So that's why I asked ChatGPT to please enhance the tool with more features. Then it adds more features. This is the HTML. So I go to back to HTML and then paste it, and this is the JavaScript. So I remove the previous one and then paste it the new one, and I asked for new style. So I copy the new style and then go to CSS and save changes, and now refresh the page. Voila, so you can check I already got an awesome tool, and that's why. Let's check it. So 20, so you can select the activity level like low, moderate and high. Check moderate. And dry food, calculate we got in per kg, 0.84 kg per day. This is the food amount. So you can also click on high and then click calculate. It will give it the results. So I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comment. And if you want me to do the service, please reach out me to the Fiverr. So thanks for watching.